Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Cortana can't hear my voice on Windows 10. First method is, click Start Settings. Click Privacy. Click Microphone. Make sure microphone access for this device is turned on. Cortana app access microphone on position. If same error still exists, second method is, type sound settings in Windows search bar. Click Sound Settings. Click Sound Control Panel. Click Recording tab. If two microphone device available, select one and set default. Double-click microphone. Click Levels tab. Change microphone volume to maximum. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.